either B or D. Okay, so A and C are gone, so B or D. Now this further angle, this small angle, this part you see over here, this will be farther from the mirror, means it will be away from the mirror. So it will be where? B, again B or D, which one of these? Suppose if I put a mirror over here, this will go far off, so it will be D. So correct option is D. This needs observation skills only, no mathematical skills. Next, two positions of a block are given. When one is at the top, which number will be at the bottom? See this. Block means you can call this dice also. Same logic applies everywhere. Remember 4 thumb rules for this. Not 4 actually, there are 4 but they are not useful for you. At least 2 you remember, first 2. Two opposite faces cannot be adjacent to each other. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, this is important. If two different positions of a dice are shown and one of the two common faces is in the same position, then the remaining faces will be opposite to each other. Means, see, these two positions are shown and one is in the same position, 4, 4. Then the remaining faces would be opposite to each other. Okay. So 1, 6 is again common, 4 is in the same position. So 1 and 5 would be opposite to each other. So the question is, 1 is at the top, which number will be at the bottom? The answer is 5. Okay. So 2 rules are useful to you. Remaining 2 are also there, but they are a bit difficult. If in 2 positions of a dice, the position of the common face be the same, then each of the opposite faces of the remaining faces will be in the same position. Now this is a bit difficult to understand and it's not useful for a level up to 8th standard. Even this 4th one is also no use. But if you can understand, you can. I'll explain it in the separate videos. All these 4 rules. Okay. If in two different. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.